If you're a business owner, freelancer, or team leader, and your days feels like chaotic scramble, you are tired of missing the deadlines, manually busy working, and the constant overwhelmed of disorganized processes, you probably think that building effective workflows requires a massive team or complex and expensive software, or that it's just too complicated to set up for your business. You believe you don't have the time to implement new system. But what if I told you the secret to scaling your business isn't working harder but building smart, automated workflow that work for you, giving you back hours and unlock true scalability, all with accessible tools? In this video, I am going to show you the exactly 3 steps workflow system that will transform your chaotic operations into seamless client fulfillment and predictable business growth. I'll show you how to design like a pro, automate repetitive actions to save you hours, and then monitor everything to ensure consistent and effortlessly scaling. This isn't just theory. These are practical and actionable steps that, if implemented today, you will have consistency and freedom. If you're passionate with your business but managing client details, delivering service, and check back feedback manually feels like a never-ending marathon, it is the ending loop that leads to tons of stress. You are working hard, but your processes are working against you, making consistent and scalability a distant dream. Building workflows sound like complicated, something only large businesses with huge team only can do it. But setting up efficient workflows is surprisingly accessible, even for solopreneurs and small teams. You don't need massive budget or a data science degree, just a clear process and few simple tools that you might need. This approach breaks down complexity into ridiculously simple, actionable steps. So if you are ready to stop reacting and start dominating your operations, here are the 3 essential steps to build truly efficient workflows and how you can implement them today. Number 1 is assigning tasks smartly. Before you can automate or organize anything, you need a crystal clear map of your process. This starts with you assigning tasks. Forget sticky notes and scattered emails. You need to use a project management tool like Trello or ClickUp, then break down your entire client fulfillment process into actionable steps, then confirm client details, deliver a degree service, then request client feedback, then assigning specific team members if you have a team, perhaps your VA, handles onboarding tasks, while your PL manage service delivery. Set a clear due date, details, and add detailed task descriptions to eliminate any guesswork. Here is a pro tip. Create a project template for similar clients. This standardizes your task list so that you never start from scratch again. This initial organization isn't just about tidiness, it is the critical domino. Without clearly defined tasks and responsibilities, you will always be chasing details, missing deadlines, and struggling to identify what can even be automated, which leads to ever-ending stress. This step builds the foundation for effortless execution. So your tasks are now perfectly organized and assigned. But what about all that repetitive, soul-crushing manual work? That brings us to the real game changer. So number 2, you need to automate recurring actions. This is where you leverage technology to do the heavy lift, dramatically reducing manual works and freeing up your countless hours. The magic word here can be Make.com or Zapier. These tools connect different apps to create seamless workflows. Imagine this: a client make a payment via Stripe. That is your first trigger. Then Zapier kicks in and action 1. It creates a task in Asana titled the onboarding process with client name. Action 2 is simultaneously send a Slack notification to your team. New client onboarding started for, then your client's name. You have just automated 2 onboarding steps with 0 manual work. Other examples include sending automated onboarding emails via ActiveCampaign or Toolkit. This isn't just about convenience, it is about scalability and consistency. By setting up these one-time automations, you ensure every client or project gets the exactly same high-quality process every time. This consistency builds trust and allows your business to grow without having to work more hours. Now you have got your task organized and your automations are humming along. But how do you ensure everything stays on track? And how do you continuously make your workflows even more efficient? That is where our final crucial step comes in. Number 3, monitor your progress regularly. Even the best workflows need oversight. Regular monitoring ensures everything is running smoothly and helps you spot opportunities for optimization. Make a weekly check-ins a non-negotiable habit. This can be a quick 15-minute team meeting or simply a personal review of your process. Look at your task completion rate. Are things getting done on time? Discuss any delays or obstacles and reassign tasks if needed. Also track client satisfaction to identify areas for improvement, set up recurring meetings for these weekly check-ins. Beyond weekly, conduct a monthly optimization review. Analyze task completion rate to identify bottlenecks, then update your template or automation to streamline processes. Finally, you need to train your team members, if you have, on end update workflows to ensure smooth adaptation. This continuous feedback loop transform your workflows from static processes into dynamic, evolving system. It is how you ensure automations are truly effective, preventing new inefficiencies from creeping in, and guarantee your business is always operating at peak performance, ready for growth. So you have seen 3 simple steps for building efficient workflows, but what is your next step after watching this video? Tell me on the comment below. And if you have any question, also type below. Don't forget to share this video with your friend if it helps you.